Hey there. Imagine yourself in ancient Egypt. The year is 2600 BCE, and you're standing at the base of a colossal pyramid. Welcome to a day in the life of a pyramid builder. The sun is just rising over the Nile, and the air is filled with a mix of anticipation and the scent of the river. I can feel the crisp morning breeze as I join my fellow workers. We're all part of something magnificent, constructing a monument that will stand for millennia. First, we gather in the workyard, a bustling hive of activity. I pick up my tools, simple but effective, a wooden lever, a chisel, and a mallet. We're preparing to lift massive limestone blocks, each weighing several tons. It's hard, grueling work, but there's a sense of camaraderie that keeps us going. With the overseer's call, we line up along a wooden sled. This is how we move the stones. I join a team of 20 men, each of us gripping the thick ropes tied to the sled. We chant in unison, a rhythmic call and response that helps synchronize our efforts. 1, 2, 3, pull! The sled inches forward, the stone grinding against the sand. Midday approaches, and the sun is high in the sky, beating down relentlessly. We take a break, drinking water and eating bread and onions. Simple, but it fuels us for the hard work ahead. The overseers are fair. They know we can't build greatness on empty stomachs. Back to work, we prepare for the final lift. The ramps are steep and we need to be precise. Using wooden levers, we pry the stone into position. It's a delicate balance, requiring strength and coordination. As the stone slides into place, there's a moment of collective breath-holding, then success, another block added to the towering structure. As the day ends, I look up at the pyramid. Despite the exhaustion, there's a deep sense of pride. Each stone I've helped place is a testament to our skill, strength, and determination. Walking back to the workers' village, I can't help but think about the legacy we're leaving. This pyramid isn't just a tomb for a pharaoh. It's a symbol of our civilization's ingenuity and perseverance. So, next time you see a pyramid, remember it's not just an ancient wonder. It's the result of countless days like today, lived by people like you and me. Thanks for joining me on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed this peek into ancient history, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Catch you in the next video.